what a great artist I am. Almost done.
Yay!
It's finished. Time for coloring. Where do I get markers, though?
Oh!
Sue's backpack. There must be some markers inside. Why don't I check? Hello? Is anyone home? Huh, no one. It's dark here. I can't see markers. I can't see anything. Gotcha! I've got a marker. But where's the exit? It's not a false alarm. Help! I can't get out. Help me, Sue. I'm trapped. The backpack has swallowed me.
Sammy, I've overslept. I gotta run.
Help! The exit is stolen. Here it is. That was a close call. It was so scary. I even left my marker inside. Wait a second. Uh-oh. Sue is not going to be thrilled about that. What do I do now? Think fast, Sammy. There's no problem some cardboard wouldn't fix, right?
I gotta hurry or I'll be in trouble.
Oops. I guess there's at least one problem cardboard can't solve.
What's happened? Why did my textbooks... Huh? Who made this hole?
Just keep your hand inside, Sue, and no one will notice.
Hey, it's not how it works. Ugh, and what shall I do now? My backpack is ruined.
Don't get your hopes up, Sue. It doesn't work. I tried.
What? Cardboard? You probably used it incorrectly. Let's try again.
Okay.
Let's get down to business. This piece here is going to be the foundation of our backpack.
I'm not impressed, Sue. I hope it won't tear as easily as your previous backpack when I'll get into this one.
I hope so too. Look, these are all the pieces of our backpack's bottom part. Now we need to glue them all together. Press on the edges. And make sure to secure the sides together too.
Sue, this backpack won't hold your books.
Oh, come on, Sammy, it's not finished yet.
Let me check. Oh no, Sue, it's crooked!
Aha!
Now I know your secret. It's not a backpack, it's a boat.
What? It's a backpack. You'll see. I'm gonna fetch some materials. Just please don't touch anything.
Sure. If you're asking. Captain Sam, speed up. Yes, sir.
Whee! Yay! Ah!
Okay, I'm back. And I managed to… Huh? Sammy, what's going on? Anyway, this piece is… Sammy, that's enough. Your journey is over, Captain Sam. You've reached land. Come on, really, it's not fair. You're having fun, and I'm working.
Slimes are very good at having fun, you know. But okay, I got it.
Aww.
Okay, now, let's work on the sides. You need to bring me 2 more pieces for this part. 2 pieces. Can you hear me? All done. Cut out and folded. Let's attach it to its place.
I can't remember what I should do to this piece. I know! Sam 3. Oh, come on! Oh, yes! I'm almost sure that's what I was supposed to make.
Awesome! 2 sides are ready. 2 more to go. Oops! I forgot the glue.
Sue, I finished!
Finished with what exactly?
That's what you asked me to do.
I actually asked for something different. Look, we need 1 more sidewall right here. Where is it?
But check it out, Sue. Here, I've got the side wall and the front wall, and even 2 handles. Very inventive, right?
Yeah, Sammy, you're very creative, but I really need your help.
Sorry, Sue. I forgot what I needed to do. You can have my helmet if you want.
Thank you, but I'd better use these.
Suit yourself.
Look, guys, I've glued these 2 pieces, and now I'll attach them here.
Whoa, I can't believe Sue didn't like this helmet.
Right? I was trying so hard, put all my creativity into this awesome invention.
How only did you come up with this idea, Sammy?
Well, you see, I had to help Sue make a new backpack, and she asked for... See? I forgot. We're making a backpack. Sorry, guys, but I gotta go.
Sam is his usual self. Barbie, want to try on this helmet?
Sure.
Looks good.
Sue! Sue! I'm so sorry. I forgot I had to help you with the craft and got super distracted.
No worries, Sammy. Better check out what I made.
Wow, Sue, it doesn't look like a boat anymore. It indeed looks like a backpack. You did so good. But I still don't get how it's gonna close.
A bit of patience, my slime friend. You'll see everything really soon.
Got it. I can wait.
I hope Sam got his new task correctly this time.
Why is it so heavy? It's just cardboard. I don't get it.
Yeah, it was a great idea, Ken.
Faster, faster, woohoo! Yo, Sam, could we stop over there? We want to get some ice cream.
Huh? Ken?
Oopsie.
Here you go, Susie.
Oh, thank you.
It's not my fault it took so long. You know, Ken and his pranks.
Oh, don't be so grumpy, Sammy. And this piece goes over here. Now, voila! Already looks like a real backpack, doesn't it?
Hey, Sue, we're sorry we were slowing down your work. Here.
Thanks.
Let me inspect the results. Not bad. Not bad. Good job, Sue. Huh? Thank you guys, really. And now get down to work.
Hey!
Another finished piece, Sue. Where will it go?
It'll go here at the top, but I'll glue it later, after we're done with decorating.
What do you think of this green color, Sue?
It's great.
I'll go find more colors.
I'll use this green paper to cover the bottom part. And this part will be light purple.
We'll definitely need this. Yellow color, green. We've already used it. Now what about my favorite color?
Psst, Barbie, listen up. I feel like pranking Sam. You distract him and I'll grab the pink paper.
Deal.
It should totally go on the most visible part.
Hey, Sammy, watch a doing?
Duh! I mean, you didn't scare me, of course. I was just busy thinking,
I'll catch it! I'll catch it! I'll catch it! Gotcha! Yay! Phew, mission complete.
and then I just thought we couldn't do without.
Sorry, Sammy, gotta go. Talk later, okay? Bye!
Well, that was weird. Huh? Wait, where is my pink paper? Maybe Sue has taken it? Sue, have you taken my favorite pink paper?
What? No, I haven't. But don't worry, I have more. See?
Ew.
And just like you asked, it goes onto the most visible part. Now it's time to decorate the back side of this backpack.
You know what? I was going to make skis, but maybe these can be the handles?
Perfect.
Hey, Sammy, haven't you lost anything?
I knew it! You had taken my pink paper.
Wait, don't get mad. Ta-da! We actually wanted to make a surprise for you.
Do you like it?
Wow, is it for me? He looks exactly like me. Thank you so much, friends. Sue! Sue, look what I got. It's Paper Sam.
Wow! We can actually put him to use too today, but a bit later, okay?
Okay, we can wait. No, I changed my mind. I can't wait anymore. Paper Sam is ready for action.
All right.
Oh, I'm so excited. Wait! Sue, make way! To the left. No, to the right. A bit to the left. Keep it straight, Sue. Yes, that's it. You can glue it.
Done. So cute.
Can you give me a hand here? I can't see anything. Oh, thanks. Now place it on top. On the very top.
Okay, here it goes. Looks awesome, by the way.
I can't believe we really did it. It's the brightest and cutest backpack ever. You'll be the most stylish at school, Susie.
That's for sure. But I wouldn't have done it without your help and creativity.
You make me blush. know what? This backpack is perfect for playing and hiding. See for yourself. There's even a special opening for watching the surroundings. I think I'll keep it. I've got a feeling that this backpack is a bit too big for me.
Sammy, what are you doing here? What's wrong with you?
Nothing! I'm just testing your backpack so that you can take it to school and worry about nothing.
Right, school. I gotta run.
Sue, your textbooks!
Thanks.
Guys, like this video if you like our backpack.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel too. See you soon.